This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Crinion. You'll love this gorgeous home, perfectly situated on 3.82 acres of land less than 2 miles from town. Included with this home is a whole home generator, your very own 30 by 40 feet workshop with 2 roll-up doors, a 20 feet canopy and electricity. You'll enjoy fishing in your fully stocked pond, practice shooting at your private shooting range. This pristine home features an open floor plan with an office right next to the master bedroom suite for added convenience. The great room features a tray ceiling, Delia hardwood flooring, and a wood burning fireplace. Kitchen boasts custom-built cabinets, island with breakfast bar, top-of-the-line appliances, and a huge walk-in pantry. Master suite features a tray ceiling, his under sinks, corner jacuzzi tub, large ceramic walk-in shower and walk-in closet. Living the life in the country where you can drift off to sleep with the tranquil sounds of nature and wake up to beautiful sunrises. What are you waiting for? Call Amy today to see the home of your dreams. Crinion 337